In this video from Device Doctor, we fix the Canon LBP6030 printer. It had a printing problem because the sleeve was damaged. Watch how we replace it and solve the issue.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
In the first step, we run a test print on this printer to identify the issue and assess its severity. Let's find out exactly what's going wrong and how serious the problem is. As you can see, one side of the paper is severely damaged and the printer's fuser sleeve needs to be replaced. To do this, we need to open up the printer and access the sleeve. First, we unscrew the bolts at the back of the printer. Then, remove the covers on both the right and left sides. Now, carefully remove the front cover of the printer. Be sure to handle it gently to avoid causing any damage to the printer. Next, you need to remove the metal cover at the back and the top of the printer to access the internal panel. You also need to remove the printer's motherboard. Now you can easily remove the fuser unit of the printer, which houses the fuser sleeve and drum. Now, remove the covers of the fuser unit to detach the printer's fuser sleeve. Now, as you can clearly see, one side of the fuser sleeve is completely damaged and torn, which is why our printer test was experiencing issues. Now we will remove the damaged fuser sleeve and replace it with a new one. Before replacing the fuser sleeve, it's best to clean the fuser with a soft cloth dampened with gasoline. If you have a special fuser lubricant, you can use it to lubricate the fuser as well. If not, that's perfectly fine. Now, insert the new fuser sleeve and close the fuser unit. Now everything is fixed and there are no issues with the printer. We just need to reassemble it. Although reassembling might seem a bit tricky, it is actually quite simple and easy if you pay close attention. Just make sure to connect the printer's cables to their correct positions. In this part of the video, we have increased the speed so it does not take too much of your time. If you prefer to watch it more slowly, you can use the playback speed option on YouTube to reduce the speed. Now, we will connect the fuser and the printer cartridge to run a test and check if the issue has been resolved. If everything works fine, we will fully close and assemble the printer covers. Dear friends of Device Doctor, as you can see in the test, we successfully solved the problem by replacing the printer's fuser sleeve. There is no need to throw away your printer or buy a new one. If you found this video helpful, please support Device Doctor by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.